All right, today, quick and easy quesadillas in the cast iron pan. Starting out with some fresh onions, shallots, garlic, a little bit of different seasoning in there. I got some little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, little bit of cumin. Also added some of this for a little bit of lime seasoning in there, Trader Joe's chili lime, and some avocado oil. Got my chicken seasoned with pretty much the same. Got some different cheeses. And of course, the tortillas. So I'm going to saute this up, add the chicken, cook them together. Then we'll make the tortillas on the cast iron. So stay tuned. All right, so once you get your onions, shallots, garlic, slightly brown, add your chicken. Stir that in. Add a little bit more olive oil, or I'm using avocado oil. Whatever you like to saute with, just add a little bit more. Stir that in. Let that cook for maybe 5-10 minutes till it's just about done. As your chicken and everything else is cooking, every few minutes just give it a stir. Turn that, find that chicken that's not done on one side, just kind of turn it over, mix all that onion and shallots and garlic in. I added a little bit more seasoning, a little bit more cumin, a little bit more salt. So you don't want to let it sit too long in one spot, because you don't want anything to burn. So just kind of every couple minutes toss it around, let it sit for a few more minutes, turn it again until it's almost done. All right, once we get the cast iron a little hot with some butter, I'm gonna put that tortilla in there. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese just on one side, it's cheddar. Scoop a little bit of the chicken, onions, shallots, and garlic. And top that off with a little bit more cheese. Let that cook for about 2 minutes till I close it and flip it. As soon as that tortilla starts to brown on one side, just flip it over. Let it cook a couple more minutes and then turn the whole thing. 2 to 3 minutes on each side and they are pretty much done.